Welcome Sumos, and welcome to another Casio unboxing and first impressions video. Here's an honorary Sumo check. I'm going to keep today's video short, so let's get into it. So the watch. This watch is a Casio reference MTP-1370PL-1AVEF. It originally came with a really horrible and nasty cheap leather strap which didn't last the unboxing. I threw it in the trash can and instead replaced it with this Uncle Seiko waffle strap from $1. For you purists out there, here's a quick shot of what the original strap looked like. I'll give you some more close-ups of the waffle strap in a moment, but my first impressions of this Casio is positive. I bought this watch on whim, and to be honest I didn't know much about it before I stumbled upon it on a website called Watch Shop. I paid £31 for the watch and £5 for shipping. I think I purchased the last watch because going on to their website now it's showing us discontinued. The same goes for both eBay and Amazon. Casio seemed to have discontinued this particular model, which makes me incredibly glad I bought it when I did. The watch comes in a few different colour variations, a white dial with gold accents and also a black and gold. These are sold from the USA and in Jerusalem in Palestine. Looking at the face of the watch, it has some great proportions and looks like a quintessential watch. What I mean by this is, it has traditional features and looks like what you would think when you think of an elegant watch. This in contrast to some of their other offerings such as the G-Shocks and the Edifice line, and here against the Midnight Baby Blue Square. The crown is at the traditional 3 o'clock position, and Casio definitely played it safe with the case proportions. I think this works to the watch's advantage as you can dress it up with a bracelet, but also make it sporty as I have with this rubber strap. Being a quartz piece, this watch requires little to no maintenance. All you have to do is pop open the back every 2 or 3 years and replace the battery. It also means, unlike an automatic watch, there is no chunky movement inside, and so the watch is crazy thin. The dial features a day function at the 12 o'clock position and a date function at the 6 o'clock. This makes it visually quite unique, and I found it easy to read at a glance. The hour indices have an applied metallic strip which match the minutes and seconds hands nicely. You have Casio printed on the dial under the day cutout. This watch will be more of a casual daily beater watch for me, so the 50 meters of water resistance the watch offers is fine for my lifestyle. You have WR 50 meters printed on the dial at the 6 o'clock position. The watch has a case diameter of 38 millimeters, so a very good size for most people with a wrist size below 8 inches. The lug-to-lug distance is 45 millimeters. The case thickness is an incredible 9 millimeters, so super thin. Overall, this watch feels comfortable on the wrist. Another thing I am liking straight away is that the seconds hands are hitting the markers pretty much every time or thereabout. I don't know why, but for me this can make or break a watch, so it's important that the ticking hand remains online with the markers on the dial. So let me talk a little bit about the strap quickly. It's a $25 Uncle Seiko waffle strap produced by $1. It's a great looking strap which completely gives the watch a different look. I feel it adds a bit of depth to what some may consider quite a flat dial. The strap is extremely comfortable and I've worn it all day on other heavier watches, so this won't be a problem on this watch. In London it's quite warm this time of year, so the rubber strap works well over a bracelet for example. The diamond shaped indent cutouts on the underside of the strap also cleverly help keep your wrist cool on hot days. Overall man, I'm really happy I bought this watch. It's something lightweight and stylish that I can throw around and not worry about damaging it. It has a great look and I'm sure I can apply it in most situations. I'll leave you with some wrist shots of the watch. For your reference, I have a 7 3/4 inch wrist. This watch sits comfortably on my wrist and is probably as small as I would go. Any smaller would be too small, but I think this is my personal preference. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, as it helps with the YouTube algorithms. Once again, thank you very much for watching Sumos. See you in the next one.